Hi, Jeanne Ricks here again for New Day. I wanted to talk a little bit about what I call the stress domino effect. Now, the reason I felt it was so important is because most folks don't understand that even that little bit of stress that you have during the day, which happens over and over and over again during your day also, well, it's causing major destructive changes in your body, and it's happening very quickly. Here's what happens. Now, you know you're under stress, but your brain only knows crisis and non-crisis. It doesn't have a little middle category for stress. So now when you're under stress, it thinks you're in crisis, and it starts mobilizing resources to meet that need. In other words, to give you extra energy to help you run or do whatever you may need to do physically to overcome the danger. Now, let's say you're just on the phone with customer service, and you got a little extra tension going on because you need to be somewhere. Now you are doubly stressed, and your brain translates that into extreme danger. So now your brain also starts calculating the potential for extra energy, and it's using your glucose and your triglycerides to give you that energy. And very quickly, you begin to use those up. So now you've got cravings for sugar and fat very quickly. And you think you're just having a random craving for some chocolate. No. You're under stress, and your body has taken on a need for extra energy. It'll actually skim, to a certain degree, your own muscle tissue to produce extra glucose for energy. It dumps triglycerides into your bloodstream because it thinks you need that extra fat for energy. At the same time, it decreases your ability to digest because it figures, well, you're about to run away from danger, so there's certainly no time for a fancy meal. So it doesn't want to waste resources supporting your digestion, even though it's just given you cravings for sugar and fat. Same thing with lowering your sex drive. It figures there's no time for making whoopee while you're running away from a burning building. So consequently, just being under stress lowers both your healthy digestion and your healthy sex drive. It also reduces, to a certain degree, your sensitivity to pain. And with your lungs, it increases the diameter of your bronchial tree. So it's increasing the amount of air that you get. Now you can breathe more easily, but at the same time, your cardiovascular function speeds up. It speeds up your heart rate, contracts your blood vessels, raising your blood pressure. Now, all of that just happened while you're sitting in traffic, late for an appointment, or while you're frustrated on the phone with customer service. All these resources are being brought together to give you energy. And when you don't use them, guess what your body does? You've got all that fat, sugar, blah, 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 and now it has to put it somewhere. So it stores it on your abdomen in the form of belly fat. Okay, so reduce your stress and also improve your digestion and reduce your belly fat at the same time. So we'll talk about more ways to keep yourself healthy and other segments. And also, you can always click on earlier segments to learn more. So stay tuned. I'm Jeanne Ricks with New Day Holistic Health.